Hey guys, it's Charles. I am in New York City and I am super excited because I am here with Joy. And I wanted an update. What's going on with you?
They told me I lost like about 100 pounds.
Yeah. 2 years ago,
wow,
we posted our video of your transformational process and I wanted an update. So tell me, Joy, what's going on with you?
Went to a doctor's appointment. They told me I lost like about 100 pounds. I met Charles. I think I won a ticket to your cooking class.
Okay.
So I met Charles and I went to his cooking class. We just had a immediate connection and we've been friends ever since. And so I decided to share something really personal with Charles a while back, and that I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis.
Well, you barely could walk without pain. You're like pain all over your body.
All over. Like I was basically almost bedridden from it. I was on my way to definitely having a wheelchair, and yeah.
And you look amazing.
Thank
so tell
you.
us about the transformation and what you've done to change your life. Honestly, eating habits, but the main thing is that like talking to you, you're like a completely different person with more energy.
Yeah, so I definitely feel like I've gotten my happy back, you know, and it's just growing every single day, more and more every day. I had to change my eating habit. I eat a lot more greens, a lot more vegetables. I take a lot more self-care. Yeah. Like I definitely take care of myself now. It's important to me that I focus on me first before I focus on anybody else. Like this is the year I was like, that's it, self-care is my priority. So give us some examples of self-care in relationships, boundaries we were talking about earlier. What are some tips you can give to people who are watching for self-care tips? So first thing is clean out all the people in your life that you feel like don't serve you. You know those people who have really bad energy and they don't mean you well. And so that I would think is the first thing you should do is go and clean out your closet. And just clean out your closet from people, things, whatever that doesn't work for you any longer in your life. So that's a great tip. What's another one? Like your thoughts, like how have you changed them? So thoughts are really important. First of all, in terms of me getting better, I had to tell myself that I was going to get better. Yes. You know, and that was not an option. Like me getting better was not an option, and I was just You made a decision. Yes, definitely. I made a decision, and every day I had to do something that was positive, like looking at a positive video and surrounding myself with positive people who allow me to know that I can do it. Yeah. You know, so I think that was definitely really important. I love it. Your tip, one last tip for people. Definitely doing something outside of yourself. Yeah, we sparking up a new hobby or something that you're uncomfortable with, because sometimes in the uncomfortable is where we see growth. Yes. Right, so talk about that. Also, one of the things that feeds disease is isolation. You know, and I think when you step outside of yourself and you decide not to be isolated in your journey, I think that opens you up to a whole nother type of healing. Yeah. That is really important, you know, and you go through so many emotions when you're sick. You go through anger, you go through sadness, you go through resentment, and your first thought is to close yourself off. But that honestly is probably the opposite thing that you should do. You should actually open yourself up and open up your heart. And know that there might be other people going through similar situations. Exactly, exactly. And I think once you look at it like that, you have been able to open up your heart and open up your channels to allow love and forgiveness and all those things to pour into you. Oh, so good, Joy. Thank you. Love it. Where can people find you on social media? Joy Finale Makeup. Okay, we'll leave links below. Thank you, Joy. See you soon. And I love you, Charles. Yeah, awesome. Love you too.